Yes, sir.
Now we will take solution, right?
Yeah.
Here we have to find the unknown, right?
Yeah.
So therefore, we now see, now observe something here. Look at this guy here. These guys are when they are co-interior angles, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Here we have A. Is that also, sir? We now have A here plus 110 equal to 180. Alright? What is the reason here? Co-interior, right?
Angles.
Interior angles. Is that also, sir?
Yes, sir.
Alright? So therefore, now have A here is equal to 180 over here minus 110. Are we okay here? Good. So therefore, when you subtract the value here, and this guy is equal to what do you have now? 60, right?
Yes, sir. It's 70.
70, right?
Yes, sir. 70.
Are we okay here?
Yes, sir.
Good. So therefore, A is equal to what? 70 degrees, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, we are only asked to find A. We're looking at A here and B here. So therefore, A is equal to B, or B is equal to A. What is the reason here? We are corresponding angles. Are we okay here? Yes, sir. We say for corresponding angles here, when you have what? You have two parallel lines here. Alright? Let's assume you have an angle here and you have an angle here. These angles are what they are corresponding. And A here is equal to what? Is equal to B. The one is what is outside and this one is what is inside. Or if you have an angle here, you have an angle inside and you have an angle outside here, the moment you see these guys here, they are equal, right?
Yes, sir.
They are corresponding angles. So when you started here, I gave all of these things, right? Are you okay now, sir?
Yes, sir.
Look at this guy here. Look at this line. There's a line between them here, right? But this one is what is inside here, and this one is what is outside here. And this line here and this line, they are what? They are parallel. Are we okay here? And since they are parallel here, and you have this guy here, and you have this guy here, it means what?
They are corresponding.
Right? You can further extend this line for clear understanding. Okay? When you extend this line here, you can see that this guy and this guy are what? They are parallel. And this line that cuts the parallel line here is called what? Transversal line, right? So from that transversal line here, we're going to have what? Different angles. Alternate angles now, corresponding angle, co-interior angles, we're going to have them all. Are we okay here? So therefore, we can now see what? B is equal to A. Alright? What is the reason here? We say corresponding
Angles.
right?
Yes, sir.
Good. So therefore, B now is equal to A. But what is A now? A is 70 degrees again, right? So we have got the value for B. Are we right here?
Yes, sir.
So we come here again and find the value of C. Alright? So we can now say C is equal to what? Is equal to B. What is the reason again? Alternate angles. This guy here and this guy, they can give you Z shape, right?
Yes, sir.
Have you seen this one now?
Yes, sir.
So therefore we say the reason here is what? Alternate
Angles.
right? And alternate angles are what? They are equal. Is that what, sir?
Yes, sir.
So therefore we now have what? C here is equal to B. But what is B now? B is what? 70 degrees, right?
Yeah.
Now we have gotten A, B, and C. What about E here? E is also 70. Right? Look at the line here. This line here and this line here tells you that base angles of isosceles triangle, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Equal.
base angles are what?
Equal.
Are equal. Is that so, sir?
Yes, sir.
So therefore say E is equal to B. What is that? Base angle of isosceles, right?
Yes, sir.
Of isosceles. So therefore, E here is now equal to what? 70 degrees, right? So therefore, A is equal to 70, B is equal to 70, we have C here, C is equal to 70, and E is equal to 70 degrees, right? So therefore, that's what you have to find. Let's take it down here. Now, look at what we have. Have you right here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, look at what we have here. This is the angle, right? Now, if you observe here, this angle here and this angle, they are triangle. Now, it tells you that this here, this line here is telling you that these sides here, what, they are equal, right?
Yes, sir.
So if here is Z, here is also what? There is also Z degrees, right? And if here is 90, here is also what? 90 degrees, right?
Mm-hmm.
And what are we asked to find here? We're asked to find what? Z, right? So if you have this angle here, you have Z and then you have what? You have 30. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So if you have Z and 30 here, then you have what? You have a 90 degree symbol. Is that also sir? So therefore we can now say here, now we have 90 plus what? Plus 30 plus Z degrees, they are equal to what? 180 degrees, right?
Mm-hmm.
Sum of angles in what?
Yeah,
triangle, right?
Mm-hmm.
Good. So therefore 90 here plus 30 gives you what? 120, right?
Yes, sir.
So Z here is now equal to 180 here minus 120. Have you right? This one is equal to now 180 here minus 120. What is that?
60
Now we have what? We have 60 degrees, eh? So therefore Z is equal to what? 60. Indeed, because now here you have 30, right?
Mm-hmm.
60 plus 30 gives you what?
90
So this is what? The right angle?
triangle.
Triangle. That's it. Are you okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
Are you okay here?
Yes, sir.
Now if you observe this guy here, we have Y here, you also sir?
Yes, sir.
Now also we have what? We have Z here, right? And here we have what? We have 120. So this guy here, they are practically opposite angle, right?
Yes, sir.
Is that also sir? When two lines meet, they form us an angle, right? So here this line they are meeting at this particular point, right? So therefore we have an angle here. So therefore this angle are what we reverse as what? Vertically opposite angles, right?
Mm-hmm.
So therefore here is 120, here is also what?
120.
120. Are we okay here?
Mm-hmm.
And also we have another angle here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Here again we have what? We have Z here. So you can come here and see what? These are what? The Z again, they are what? Vertically opposite angles, right?
Yes, sir.
So we have this guy here again. So if that is the case now, observe this guy here. They are angled at what? At a point, right?
Mm-hmm.
Good. So therefore angled at a point here, they are sum to what? 180 degrees, right?
Yeah.
So therefore we now have what? X here plus 160 is now equal to 180. Reason angles at this angles on a straight line, right?
Yes, sir.
Angles on a straight line, sorry. On a straight line. Okay?
Yeah.
So therefore we now say X here is now equal 180 minus 160. Are we okay?
Yes, sir.
And X here is now equal
20
to
degrees.
what we have now?
20 degrees.
We now have what? 20 degrees. Are we okay? But if we observe this guy here, Y and X, are they the same, sir?
Y?
Observe. Are we having a Z shape here?
Yeah, they are called alternate.
They are alternate angles, right?
Yes, sir.
So therefore we can now say here Y is equal to what? Is equal to X, right?
Yeah.
Reason alternate angles,
are equal.
right? Alternate angles. And alternate angles are what? Are equal, right?
Okay.
So therefore Y here is equal to what? 20 degrees. Are we right here?
Mm-hmm.
Good. But if you observe here, what is absent here? Z is absent, right?
Yes, sir.
So therefore what are we to do now? Come and say we have what? We have Z plus what? What do you have here now? You have X plus what? Plus 120 plus 73 plus, okay, that's all right?
Yeah.
Equal to, now this is 360 now. Why? Angles at a point. You have angle here, you have an angle here, you have an angle here, you also have an angle here, right?
Mm-hmm.
They are not in what? In a triangle. Alright? When you say triangle means what? Three areas, right? Three corners. But here you can see what you have 1, 2, 3. How many angles now? Four angles. Alright? So therefore this is what we refer as angles at a point. Are we okay here?
Yes, sir.
So angles at a point here are small towards 360 degrees. Are we okay here?
Yes, sir.
Now Z, do you know the value for Z here? No. What was X? Do you know the value for X here?
Yeah.
X is equal to what?
20.
So we write Z here plus X is what? 20. Write the value for X plus 120 plus 73 equal to 360 degrees, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now when we add everything here, what do we have when we add them? This is what?
213.
213, right?
Yes, sir.
Now Z here plus 213 here is equal to 360, right?
Yes, sir.
And Z here is now equal to 360 minus 213.
How much is that?
That one 173 or
This is
73.
73 or
Yeah. So therefore Z is equal to what?
147.
147, right?
Mm-hmm.
So therefore X is equal to, what do you have for X? 20 degrees. Y is equal to 20
20.
degrees. And Z is equal to 147, right? Degrees. So therefore, these are the values that we have.
Yes, sir.
So when you sum the guy now, what is the place for me? What do you have here?
73.
73
Yeah, plus this guy, what do you have?
193.
plus
120
193.
73 plus 120 plus what?
plus 147
147 plus
plus
what?
20.
Plus 20. 360.
So that means your answer is correct. So if you have, okay,
Oh, sir.
now we go. Look at this guy here. You see this angle here? There is 65, right?
Yes, sir.
Now we can create another angle here because we see when two lines meet, they form an angle, right?
Yes, sir.
So here is 65, here is also what, 65, eh?
Mm-hmm.
The reason they are
Vertical opposite
angles,
angles.
right?
Yeah.
Now, y is equal to what? Let's start with y. Y is equal to 130. What is the reason here?
Vertical opposite angles.
Angles, right?
Yeah. VOA.
Good. Now look at this man here. Here is an angle. Here also, sir.
Mm-hmm.
So therefore, we can create another angle here, which is what?
Z.
Z. We have Z.
No,
Alpha.
X.
Alpha.
Yeah.
This is alpha.
Okay.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Now, this guy and this guy, they are co-interior angle, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
But if you observe here, look at this angle here, 65. Is also, sir.
Mm-hmm.
So this guy here and this guy here is equal to what do you have now? 30.
Yes, sir.
What is the reason here?
So,
Angles of what of an exterior. Is that also, sir?
Yes, sir.
So therefore we have what? We have one here, we have an extract. Let me just take the extract for you to see. Alright? From this extract here, what do we have here? We have 65, eh?
Mm-hmm.
65 degrees. And next one we have here, you have alpha, right?
Mm-hmm.
You have alpha is here. But here you don't have any angle here. But these two guys, when you add them here, we have what? We have an exterior. Is that so, sir?
Mm-hmm.
What is the exterior here? 130. So therefore, when you add these two values now, let's add them. 65 here plus alpha is equal to 130, right?
Mm-hmm.
What is the reason here? Exterior of what of a triangle, right?
Mm-hmm.
So alpha here is now equal to 130 minus 65. So what is that now? Alpha is equal to, what do we have here? Mine is on the system, those are the teach. Now, punch your calculator to pick a big.
130 minus 65.
What do you have?
65.
You have 65, right? Degrees.
Mm-hmm.
Are you okay here now?
Yeah.
Good. But this guy here, if we have gotten this guy here, this guy, look at them here. Are they vertically opposite here?
Yeah.
Yes,
Vertical
they are
opposite.
vertically opposite angles, right?
Yes, sir.
So therefore, X is equal to what?
X equals to 65 degrees.
It's equal to 65 degrees as well,
Or
right?
X equals to alpha.
Good. So what is the reason here? So say X here is now equal to 65 degrees, right? What is the reason here?
Vertical opposite.
VOA, right?
Yes, sir.
But we need this guy, Z. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So if we have gotten this value here, observe this guy here. This guy, when you sum them here, we are going to have what? 180. You can see what they are co-interior angles, right?
Yes, sir.
Or you can see what angles and what on a straight line. That's also, sir. Either way. So therefore we have what? We have alpha here plus Z is now equal to what? 180, right?
Mm-hmm.
So do you know alpha? Yes, alpha is what? 65, right?
Yes, sir.
Plus Z here is equal to 180. Are we okay here?
Yes, sir.
Now let's make Z the subject here. Z is equal to 180 minus 65. And Z here is now equal to 180 minus 65 here. What do we have for that particular value?
115.
Now you have
115.
115 degrees, right?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, X is equal to 65, Y is equal to 130, and Z is equal to 115 degrees. That's one.
Yeah. Alternate.
Let's go.
Okay, now we go. Now if you look at this guy, so Y here is equal to 26, right? Degrees. Using alternate angles, right? Are we right? And look at this guy, they are all co-interior angles, right? So we know it is y plus x is equal to 180. Reason here, co-interior. Eh?
Yeah.
Good. Now what is y now? Y is 26 here plus x is now equal to 180. Are we alright? So therefore, let's make x the subject here. X is equal to 180 minus 26. Are you right here?
Yes, sir.
And x here is now equal to
154.
154 degrees. Eh?
Yes, sir.
So therefore, okay, let's see now x is equal to that one and y is equal to that. Thickness is equal.
Equal, yes, sir.
So are we okay? Have you seen it now?
Yes, sir.
Now, so therefore, here is y, here is also what? Here is also y, right?
Why? Yeah.
1, 2, 3. It means all the sides are what?
Equal.
Are equal. Are you okay here? Not only that, observe this guy here again. This guy here and this guy, this side and this side, they are all equal, right?
Yes, sir.
So if here is x, here is also what? Is also x, right?
Yeah.
Good. Now come on here. There is simple logic here, as you must try to understand.
Simple logic.
Yes, now observe something here. These two guys are these two corners are equal, right?
Yes, sir.
Now we know that sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180,
180,
right?
Yeah.
So if here is 60, here is 60. What is that now?
60.
120.
Okay, so what are these angles here? What is the angle here now?
Should be 60 back.
Huh?
Should be 60.
No, sir.
Should be 60.
Good? That's not 60 anymore.
120.
Alright, come on here, look at something here. If you have this guy here,
60, right?
are you right here?
Yes, sir.
Now, this guy here is what? Is x, and here is what? There is x, right? So what's this guy here now? We get the value of x here. Okay, let's find the value of y. Simple and simple, right? Now the whole of this guy here, look at this guy here. How many y do we have here? 3y. I can just go straight to the point, right? So let me just say y plus what? Plus y equal to 180. Sum of angles in a triangle, right? So therefore we now have what? 3y is equal to 180. Are we alright here? So therefore let's make y the subject here, and y here is equal to what do we have now?
60.
We have 60, right?
60 degrees, yeah.
So here we have 60 degrees Celsius, right? So we have gotten the value for what? For y. Are we alright here? This one here, this y here, and this z. Are they equal? Yes, they're equal, right? They are what? Are they corresponding angle here? Huh? Or you can say what? These two x here, they are what? They are equal. So what is the meaning now?
Meter.
Beta? No, this angle here. This angle here. This angle.
Let me say that is the angle alpha.
Angle alpha, right?
Yes.
Now look at this angle here. This is y, right?
Yeah.
Now what are you to have here now? Come on.
The angle is on a straight line.
Now, here let's assume here is what here is alpha, right? The angles on a straight line. Is that also sir?
Yes, sir.
You only know the value of y now, right?
Yeah. The angle is on a straight
So
line.
y here, y plus what? Plus alpha here is now equal to what?
180.
right?
Yes, sir.
So, yeah, let me just work this one for you to see really. Now we have alpha, right? Alpha here plus y is equal to
180.
180. What's the reason here?
Angles on a straight line,
right?
yes.
You know that one now. Now alpha here is now equal to over here, what do you have here? 180, right? Minus y, but y is what? 60 degrees. Is that also sir? Now alpha is now equal to
120.
what do you have here? So that therefore this angle here is equal to what?
120.
120. Now we are okay now here?
Yes.
So let's find the value of x now. We are not asked to find this angle at all. Only x, y, and what? ZW, right? So that's the case now. Come and say for this side here, we have what? We have alpha plus 2x. Because how many x do you have inside here? 2. Are we okay here? Good. Are you alright? Are we alright?
Yes, sir.
Good. So therefore, this guy is equal to what? Is equal to 180. Sum of angles in what? In a triangle, right? So we have alpha now. Alpha is what? 120. Are we okay here? Plus 2x is equal to 180. Are we right here? Now make 2x here equal to 180 minus 120. Are we okay here?
Yes, sir.
Now we have 2x here is now equal to, and 180 minus 120, what is that now?
60.
Now we have 60 degrees, right? So therefore 2x now, let me just say x here is now equal
30.
60 divided by 2, right? And x here is equal to what? 30 degrees. We have gotten the value of x now. Why? Now let's find the value of what? Now x is here, is that also sir? Now x is what?
30.
30, right?
Yeah.
So therefore this x and this z, they have a relationship, right?
Yes, sir.
Now look at the shape of what of this z here. And look at the shape of this guy here. What do you have here now? Is this equal to what 30 as well?
Yeah.
Are we okay?
Yeah, because they are
alternate
angles, sorry.
Are we alright? So therefore we can now say z is equal to x,
Yes,
Listen
sir.
here, alternate angles, right? Now z here is equal to x is what? 30 degrees. Now, what about w here? You know w here? No. It's the only unknown, right?
Yes, sir.
So therefore we now have what?
Sum the
Z plus w
was 53.
plus 53
Equals to
equal
180.
to what? 180. Sum of angles in
Yeah,
a triangle, right?
Yeah.
Now what is the value for z? 30 plus w plus 53 equal to 180, right? Now we say w here is now equal to, what do you have now? 80 what? 83 here. Sorry, 180 minus 83.
It's 97.
And w here is now equal to what?
97.
97. Therefore, x is equal to 30, y is equal to 60, and z is equal to, what do you have for z?
97.
97. No, z is not 97. Z is equal to 30.
30
yeah.
degrees.
Alright, and
W.
w is equal to
97.
97. That's well.
Yeah.
Now, looking at this guy here. Now, you are asked to find the unknown, right?
Yes, sir.
Well, there's something here. This line here and this line here, they are equal. That's also, sir.
Yes, sir.
It means here is 24, here is also what?
24.
So we put 24 here again. Alright? So come on here. Now here is unknown, right?
Yes, sir.
But what's the this what's the way to do here?
Create an
24
angle.
plus 24 is equal to what? Is equal to b. That's an exterior now, right?
Yes.
Now, we now have something like this. We now have something like this. Alright? Like it goes like this. And here we have angle v, right?
Yeah.
Here is 24, and here is also 24. Why?
Some of the
Because
two
of what?
opposite angles.
Yes, sir. Are we okay here?
Yeah.
So we said this area is clear, right?
So
So therefore, we now see what? V is equal to this man here, right?
Yeah.
Are we okay? Now 24
Plus 24.
plus 24. Are we okay here?
Yes, sir.
Now this one is equal to
48.
48 degrees. Are we alright?
Yes, sir.
Now we have gotten inside now. We have gotten the value for what of V. But mind you again, V is equal to X. You know why? Base angle of what of isosceles
So
angle,
this
right?
equal.
This is triangle.
Yeah.
This is the angle that we have now. Something like this here again. So we have an angle this line here and this line. And here what do you have here? You have V, right? So if here is what? Here is X. It means these two sides they are what? They are equal, eh? Good. But here we have what? We have W here. Are you right here?
Yes, sir.
So therefore V is equal to what? Is equal to X. Alright? How? Now say V now is equal to X. What do we mean here? Now that means now this one is equal to what? What is V now? V is 48, right?
Yes, sir.
So here is also what? 48. Reason here. You know the reason, right? Base angles of isosceles. Is that not so?
Equal, yeah.
No, say base angle here of isosceles, right?
Yes, sir.
So we have gotten this guy here, then we can have W. Is that also? So that is now V plus X here plus W, right? So we now have what? V plus X plus W is equal to what? 180. Now what is that? Sum of angles in a triangle, right?
Yeah.
Now we know what is V, right? V is equal to 48 and X is also equal to what? 48, right? Plus W here is equal to 180. Are you right?
Yes, sir.
So therefore we can now say, now 48 plus 48, what is that?
96.
Now we say V now, W is equal to 180 minus what?
84.
96, right?
Yes, sir. It's 84.
And W here is equal to what?
84.
84 degrees. Now we say Y is equal to what? Is equal to 20. X is equal to U, right? Yeah, that's X. X is equal to what? Is equal to U, indeed. Right?
Mm-hmm.
X here is equal to U.
Because they alternate?
Yes, sir.
Or corresponding?
Alternate angles, right?
Okay.
Now, since we have X now, what is the value for X? X is equal to what?
48.
So therefore, say 48 here is also equal to what? U, eh?
U, yeah.
Therefore, this implies that U is equal to what?
48
degrees. Are we okay here?
Yes, sir.
Now, you don't know the value of Y. Y is equal to what? 24 again, right?
Yeah.
Are we okay here? So,
Yeah.
say Y here
I'll
is equal to what? 24 degrees, right?
Are they allied angles, right?
Alternate, right?
Oh, allied angles.
Are we okay here?
Yes, sir.
So, therefore, you have gotten this value and these two values, they are present now, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is this now? So now say Z here plus what? Plus Y
Plus
U
X
is equal
plus
to
U,
what?
sorry.
180. Are we okay here?
Yes, sir. Small angles.
Are we okay?
Yes, sir.
Now Z here plus Y. What is Y now? 24, right?
Mm-hmm.
Plus U. What is U now? 48, right?
48, yeah.
Equal to 180 degrees.
Yeah.
And Z here is now equal to, now you have 180 here minus, now 8 plus 4 is what is 12, right?
Yes, sir.
Write it to carry the 1.
Mm-hmm.
And 4 plus 2 is 6
Six.
plus 1 is what? 72, right? And Z here is equal to, when you subtract, what are we going to have now?
108.
108, right? So therefore, we have X, right?
Mhm.
Let's start with X. X is equal to 48, eh?
Yeah.
X is equal to 48. Y is equal to 24. Z is equal to 108, eh?
Yes, sir.
We have V here is equal to 48 again, right?
Yes, sir.
48. What next we have? That's all, eh? Okay, W. W is equal to 84. That's all.
Top of that.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's take solution. So in this case here, if you have done this question here, this one is so simple as this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Good. You can label it P, Q, R, S, T, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Let's label the angle. Or you can say A, B, C, D, E. Alright?
Okay.
Whichever. So here is P, eh? Over here,
Mm-hmm.
Q, R, S, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Let's give you T. Are you alright?
Mm-hmm.
Now, when you observe the angle here, you can tell that here is what? Here is the right angle triangle, right?
Mm-hmm.
One thing you must observe here again. This line here and this line, they are what? They are parallel.
Parallel.
And parallel are what?
Equal.
Are equal, right?
Equal.
But this entire distance here is equal to what? 12,
12.
right? So therefore, here is also what? 12 centimeter. Okay?
Yeah.
Now observe here again. This man here, this entire distance is equal to 12, right?
Yes, sir.
But here we have what? How many centimeters do we have here?
7.
So therefore, here is what? How many centimeters remain now here?
5.
Here is 5 centimeters now. Are you getting this concept here?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now come here again. Parallels are equal, right?
Yeah.
Now here we have 8 centimeters.
Mm-hmm.
So this area here is what? Is 5 centimeters, 3 centimeters, right?
Yeah.
So here is what now?
5.
So here we have what? We have 5 centimeters. The moment you are able to also interpret the question, then you can solve the problem. Are you okay now?
Mm-hmm.
So you can tell now, this guy here have what? How many distance now? 3 distance, right?
Mm-hmm.
2 is known and the 1 is what is unknown. Are you okay here?
Yes, sir.
Are you right? Yeah, also, this guy here has how many distance? 3 distance, right?
Yes, sir.
2 is known and the 1 is what is unknown.
Yeah.
This guy as well has what? How many distance here? 3 distance, but 2 is known, the 1 is what is unknown. Wherever we have was we have 3 distance, the 2 is known and the 1 is unknown, and we use what?
Pythagoras theorem.
Are we okay here?
Yes, sir.
Where we have a distance and we have an angle here, what are we to use now? We use what? We use the T ratios.
Yeah.
Are we okay? So you can start with any angle here now. Which one do you want to start with? You can start with what? P, S, and T. You can start with what? This guy as well, right?
Yes, sir.
Which one do you want us to start with?
P, S, and T.
P, S, and T. Okay. Say from P angle PST. What's that? This one is just an angle PST, right? Here we have for P here, for S, and then we have what? We have T, right? And here we have 7 centimeter. Here we have X centimeter. And here we have 8 centimeter, right? Now, what I'm saying is now Pythagoras theorem, right?
Yes, sir.
So, use this theorem here, square of the hypotenuse, right? Are you right here?
Yes, sir.
The square of the hypotenuse here is equal to the sum square of the two remaining sides, eh?
Yeah.
So, what is the hypotenuse here? We say hypotenuse always is the side facing the 90-degree symbol, right?
Yes, sir.
So, what's that now? X, right? We now have x square is equal to, what next do we have? You can take either of them.
Yes,
You
sir.
can start with anyone. You can start with 7 or you can start with 8, eh? But the most important thing here, the hypotenuse here must be what? The leading guy, okay? So we have 7 square plus, we have what? We have 8 square. And x square is now equal to 7 square gives you 49 plus 64. Are we okay here? So therefore we have now, so we have x here is now equal to square root of, now what do you have here now? 113, right? In decimal form now, what do you have? When you take the root, what's that?
10.63.
Now you have 10.63, right? Centimeter. Or you can say 10.6 centimeter, right? Am I right here? So next we have what? You can see another angle again. Okay? You can say angle PQ. Let me just say here is what? Here is R. Okay, R. Let me say here TU. Okay? So say from angle PQU, eh? So what is that now? This is how we got the angle. And here you have what? 90 degrees, right? And here is Q. And here we have P. And here we have what? We have U. Okay?
Yes, sir.
For the hypotenuse here, we have what? We have Z centimeter. And here we have 12 centimeter. And here we have 3 centimeter. Let's solve the problem now. Square of the hypotenuse, right?
Yes, sir.
Is equal to the sum square of the two remaining sides, right? Now, it's the square of the hypotenuse here. What is the hypotenuse here? Z, right? Z square is now equal to sum square of the two remaining sides. Which one do you want us to start with? Anyone, eh? You can say what? 12 square plus 3 square. And Z here is now equal to square root of 144 plus 9. Are we okay? So what is the square root of this guy here? What do you have now?
You
Everything.
12.37.
We have 12.37 centimeter. Okay? Now next, yeah, we have one unknown, which is where? What is that angle? Angle RTU, eh? So say from angle TUR, eh? TUR. Now what do we have? We have an angle like this. Is that not so? So goes this way and come this way. Right? 90 degree here. Here is 5 centimeter. Here is 5 centimeter. And here is y centimeter. Okay? Square of the hypotenuse. What is the hypotenuse here? Y square is now equal to, I will just take the square root now, okay? So, are we okay here?
Yes, sir.
That is what? 5 square plus 5 square. This one equal, what do you have? 25 plus 25, 50. What is that?
You 7.07.
7.07 centimeter, okay? So, we have gotten the value for what? For x, y, and z. But mind here, what we have here now? An angle, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, if you observe this angle here, this angle got the angle. This is the extent of the angle. And then we have what? We have another angle here, right? Here is y. Already we know the value for y now, right? And what's that?
7 points.
Now we have 7 here, point what? 0.7 centimeter. And next here we have what? We have the value for what? X, right? And what is x now? X is 10.63, right? So for x here we have what? We have 10.63. And next what do we have? We have z. And what is the value for z that we have? Z is 12.37, eh? We have 12.37 centimeter. This one is centimeter, okay? Now, for this case here, you know what we have to do here? We must use what? T ratios. Alright? That is what the cosine rule. Sorry, we have to use cosine rule. And what is the cosine rule here? Now, the square root of the hypotenuse here. Mind you, this guy is what is facing the angle, right? So take the opposite of this guy here. What is that now? We have, let's use this one, z, right? Say z square is equal to, now the sum square of the two guys again. This guy. But let's start with x, eh? We say x square plus y square. Are we right here?
Yes, sir.
Minus 2xy, because these are the guys that you're adding and what square at the same time, right? You say 2xy, and now you have what? You have the angle. Cos what? Cos of the angle, theta. We don't know the angle. The angle is what we are asking for, right? So therefore, what is z square now? Z square is what? What do you have for z? We have 12.37 square equal. What do you have for x here? Yeah, this and we have x, right? And x here is what? 10.63 square plus what do you have for y? 7.07 square minus 2 times xy. What do you have for x here? X, what do you have for x? 17 here. Right? X is what? 10. You know what? Take this side. I will put this guy over here. Or let me just bring this guy over here, okay? Now we have x square here. This is z. Okay? Z square. What do you have for z? Is 12.37 square equal. Next what do you have? You can take x, right? X is what? 10.63 square plus, and what do you have for y? Y is 7.07 square minus 2 into x. And what is that? X is 10.63 and y. What is y? Y is 7.07, right? Cos theta. Are we right here? Now, take the square of this guy. What do you have?
So, everything on the
This guy.
right hand side first.
Yes, sir.
It will give you 12.6.
Yes, sir. You know what? Huh? Don't mix this guy. This guy I'm multiplying them. This guy I'm multiplying them now.
And by not a multiply all.
No, sir. Just take this guy first. Right? This guy here has nothing to do with this guy. Come on, this guy. Not this guy first. Let me this guy. Still have time, eh?
Yeah.
.37 square.
Yes, sir. Line it up straight.
Will give you 153.0.
153.01 equal. This guy you can add them now.
Will give you 162.
When you add them,
162.981.
162.981 minus, now multiply these two guys now with these two.
Will give you 150.3.
Sir,
150.30. That's
What?
150.3.
150.30.
Yeah.
Eh?
No, left hand so.
Just 3.
Yeah.
You have 0.
After.
Let me have 0. Now you have what? Cos what?
Well, put one after because it's the yeah. Put
One
one. The 0. Put one there.
0, 1.
No.
Okay, another 0.
No, the 0 cancel the 0. Put one instead. Round that up because it will give you 150.308.
0.308, right?
Yeah.
Cos theta. Are we okay?
Yeah.
Take this one to this side here.
Now this are 2 decimal points. That is 3.
Just take this one to this side, right?
Okay.
Now we have 153.01 minus 162.981 minus 150.308 cos theta, right? Subtract that. What do you have?
It will give minus 9.971.
9.971, right?
Mm.
Equal here. Now you have what? Minus what? Minus 150. Are we okay here? 0.308 cos theta, right? Minus and minus we cancel here now. Are we okay now? This theta is what we are asked to find, eh? So divide both sides by what? By this area here. This is what? Theta now is equal to 9.971 all upon. Now we have what? We have 30, okay, 150.308, eh? So what's that now? Theta, cos theta, so this is cos what? Cos theta. Cos theta here is now equal to what do you have?
0.065.
0.06597, eh? Now make theta the subject now. Now say theta here is equal to cos inverse of 0.06597. And theta is equal to what do we have?
Inverse 50.
Cos inverse.
Yeah, they are not clearly fine.
You're not seeing from that end?
0.06597.
Yeah.
It will give you 86.21.
Now you have 86 here, 86.21, eh? Good. That's all. Simple, eh? From this guy here, are we okay?
Yes, sir.
That was it, sir?
Yes.
Okay, from this guy here, what do you have here now? 8, right?
Yeah.
But the hypotenuse here is what? 10, eh?
Yes, sir.
The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum square of the two remaining sides, eh?
Yeah.
We now have what? 10 square equal to, you have what? 8 square plus, this guy, we this guy here. No, let's give you alpha, eh? We'll say alpha square. Now 10 square, what do you have? 100, right? Minus 8 square gives you what? 64, eh? You have what? You have alpha square. Are we okay here?
Yes, sir.
Now, 100 minus 64, what is that now? That is alpha now is equal to the square root of 36. Now we have what? We have 36 here. And square root of 6 is equal to what? 6 centimeter, right? Because they are measuring what in centimeter. So, let's read the question. What are we have to find next? Because we have to find x and y. So if you are, okay, look at y now. Y is also what? Is equal to what? 6 centimeter. Y, parallel lines are also equal, right? Because here is what? Here is y, eh? This line here, they are parallel to each other. Then also, so therefore parallel lines are what they are equal, eh? And x here, yes, I'll read the question.
And B, the area of the rectangle is twice the area of the triangle.
Now, this is a rectangle, right?
Yes, sir.
Area of the rectangle here. Area of what? Rectangle, eh? Rectangle is equal to what? Twice. That means 2 times
Yeah.
triangle, right? Are we okay here? How simple it is, right? Rectangular. When you talk about area of a rectangle is equal to what? Length times what?
Breadth.
Simple and straightforward, right? So say area times what? Times b equal to now 2 times what? Now area of what? Of a triangle is equal to what? Half times what? Times the base times the height, eh?
Yes, sir.
Now say half here times the base times what? Times the height, eh? Good. Now what is the length here? It's x, eh? So you say x here multiply by what is the breadth here? Y, eh? So we have this guy here equal to 2 here into half multiplied by the base. It's always the bottom, right?
Yeah.
And what's the base here? What's the base here?
8
8 times. And what is the height?
meter.
The height is what? Is 6, right?
Mm-hmm.
6.
Now 6 right to as meter.
Yeah, is what? But we have gotten this guy here to be what?
Okay.
Are you okay now, sir? Good. So let's go. X here times 6, eh? Equal here. What do you have? Everything here. What do you have? 6 times 8 is what is 48, right?
Yeah.
Because this and this we cancel. So everything is what is 48. Are we okay here? Have you confirmed that one?
Yes, sir.
48.
Multiply here, right?
Yeah.
Now look at this guy here. X times 6 gives you what? 6x equal to 48, right? And to find the value of what of x here, divide both sides by 6, eh? X now is equal to 48 here divided by 1 by 6, and this one is equal to what? 8, eh? And 8 centimeter. But if you observe, okay, let's are we to go down, sir?
Yeah.
Here is what? Here is 6, right?
Yeah.
What about this guy here?
6.
Supposed to be 6, right?
Yeah.
But they have told us that the entire angle here is what now? 32, right? Everything is what is 32. Is that also, sir?
Yeah.
But look at the angle here. P, Q, R, S, and what? And T, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me say here is what? Here is U, eh? Are we okay here? But we are only asked to find what? Y and what? And X. That's the only thing. Are we okay here? Now, to find the value of what of X here, we can find the value of X easily. Why? Because this entire angle here is 132, right?
Mm-hmm.
And here we have what? We have the value of X, which is the hypotenuse. Now look at this 90 degree symbol here. Are we okay here?
Mm-hmm.
That is, we have something like this now. Is that also, sir?
Mm-hmm.
No, I missed this one. Now we have something like this, right? Is that also, sir?
Mm-hmm.
Like this. So here is what? Here is 90. But this entire angle here, what do you have here? Here we have what? We have 32, right?
Mm-hmm.
Here is 32. And here, what do you have here now? We have X, right? What about this guy here? What do you have here? For this guy here, we have what? We have 12, right?
Yeah.
Good. We have 12. So let me just put the units. Okay? Are we getting the concept here?
Yeah.
And we use Pythagoras theorem now, right? Square of the hypotenuse here is equal to the sum square of the two main sides, right?
Yes, sir.
What are they now? We have 32 square
2 square.
plus we have what? We have 12 square. Now we have x here now is equal to square root of 32 square plus 12 square. What is that now? X is now equal to what?
What?
Everything, just take everything. I have 34.176
Mm-hmm.
centimeter. Are we okay here? Are we talking now?
Mm-hmm.
Now, we have gotten the value for x, right? Look at the value for y. Look at this guy here. This is y, right?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Now, let's extend this angle again. Are you okay here?
Mm-hmm.
Now, this guy here, would you know this guy here? Yes.
Yes.
The guy and this guy, they are parallel, right?
Yes, sir.
Here is 12 and here is what? Here is 18, right?
Mm-hmm.
So therefore, this one is equal to what is equal to this? 12 and 18, what is that now? Now we have 30, right?
38.
Are you
Yeah,
happy,
50
sir?
and 8. Yeah, bravo.
Are you okay now?
I was gonna tell you.
Now we have y centimeter, right?
Yes, sir.
Now we have centimeter. Are you okay here?
Yes, sir.
But observe something here again. Let's pay attention here. Now, here is 6, right? Here is also 6, then also, sir.
Mhm.
But it told us that the entire angle here is what is 32, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, 32 minus 6, what is that now?
26.
26, right? Now we have what? We have 26 here. Are we okay here?
Mhm.
Centimeter. This is the hypotenuse, right?
Mhm.
Square of the hypotenuse here is now equal to the sum square of the two remaining sides, right? What are they? We have 30 square plus 26 square, and y is now equal to square root of 30 square plus 26 square, and y is equal to what we have?
39.69.
Now that's 39.698, right? Centimeter. Or you can further simplify, right, by saying, well, y is equal to 39.7 centimeter, eh?